Model 2022 Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 100S and S manual M1000X Pro 55k miles, no VAT, body grey, panel van, mileage 55614, engine 1499 cc, BlueHDi 100S and S60 1600 rpm, transmission 6-speed manual, front wheel drive, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.